In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Gmail. If you need to share a video by email, Gmail makes the process very straightforward. Whether you're sending a short clip, a screen recording, or a personal video, the basic workflow is the same. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This is your main email dashboard, and it's where you'll begin creating a new message. Once you're there, look for the Compose button, usually on the left-hand side of the screen, and click it. This opens a new email window where you can build your message. Next, go to the bottom row of icons in the Compose window and click the Attach Files icon. This is the paperclip symbol next to the Send option. After clicking it, a file browser will open on your device. From there, locate the video you want to send and select it. Gmail will begin uploading the file, so give it a moment if the video is large. It's a good idea to wait until the upload finishes completely before moving on, just to make sure everything is attached properly. Once your video is attached, click into the To field and enter your recipient's email address. Be careful to type it correctly so your message reaches the right person. After that, click on the subject line and add a clear subject. This helps the recipient understand what the email is about before they even open it. Then click into the body of the email and add your message text. You can keep it simple, but it's helpful to include a short explanation about the video, especially if you're sending it for work, school, or collaboration. A brief note can make your email feel more complete and professional. When everything looks good, your video is attached, the recipient is added, the subject is written, and your message is in place, click send. That's it. Your video will be sent through Gmail in just a few clicks. As a final tip, always give your email a quick review before sending to make sure the attachment is there and all the details are correct. This can save you from having to send a follow-up message later. Now you know how to send videos on Gmail, and once you've done it once, it becomes a quick and easy task every time.